Hey everyone, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to go live on TikTok Shop. You do need 5,000 followers to qualify for the TikTok Creator Program, which allows you to tag products onto the TikTok Shop. So you also need to be over 16 years old, but once you have access to that, you're going to click this middle plus button, all right? And then scroll to the right where it says live, and so this is where you actually go live. And so you can set your title. You can basically set up billboards is what they call it. On the bottom left hand side, you can click on products, and then this is where you can add products to promote it during your live stream. So once you click on add products, it's gonna take you to your showcase, and so these are all products I've been interested in actually live streaming. So you just simply click on add, and then I'll add it to your live stream. So let's say I added this toy car. You can see that now I can start promoting this toy car. So that's how you actually go live on TikTok Shop. I would recommend editing your title, and then the billboards that I mentioned earlier, you just click on products, then click on billboard. I would edit these billboards to highlight some features of the products that you plan on promoting. And then once it's ready, you just simply click on go live, and then you'll go live. So that's how you go live on TikTok Shop.